So this controls the trim for your horizontal stabilizer. It's just a wheel that they could adjust it. Bolts back here would be mounted to the horizontal stabilizer, and as you turn that wheel, this moves up and down, which changes the pitch of your horizontal stabilizer. What we're working on here is the racks to hold the extra magazines for the machine gun. This would carry 4 additional drum magazines in addition to the one that's mounted on the machine gun. So we're just mocking up these little shelves here, getting an idea of what's going to work and what won't work. We're working off of pictures that we have from a couple other airplanes, and we're making it look the way it should look.
Very cool. And that's for the gun that's going to go right?
For the gun that's going to go in the gun ring that mounts on the back of the airplane here.
Very cool. Thanks so much. That's awesome.
So here's the wooden knob that attaches to the handle for the flap actuator, so that would extend and retract the flaps. I made the choice to leave this piece unrestored, I guess you could say. It has some of the original paint on it, but it was in nice enough shape to kind of leave it this way. I just thought it was really neat that, thinking how many people have touched this knob and used this knob. I know that Chuck Yeager has touched this. I know that Erich Hartmann has used it, so it's just kind of neat, a little thing that we're able to leave as a little piece of history there. We do everything we can to preserve as much as we can. If the knob was damaged or in any way needed to be fixed, we would have done that, but it just seemed happy.